Alright guys, so just got more fuel. Hey, put some salt out here. Salt? Got some more fuel coming, you guys. It's just crazy winter. Crazy, well, I shouldn't say crazy winter. We've had winters. But this is just, it's a lot. It is a lot. So we're gonna put a back rack, you guys, on this one here soon. Right here. I don't know. I might do it today. We'll see. Get a back rack right on there. The back rack's already here, so yeah. Guys, we're gonna go and hook up the back rack. I got the little guy here with us. They don't have school today, some kind of teacher thing. So we're gonna hook up the back rack, and we're gonna go put the truck in the warm, heated shop.
On the back.
So
it's gonna be the C7D2.
Got the back rack
C7D2.
here.
This one. And that's
Okay,
gonna
and
be
that
white.
one was
yep, and then he doesn't
not
want
so big.
huge either.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, maybe I'll just...
Okay, bud, go throw that in, not the truck we came in, but the one that Dad was looking at.
Maybe
Put it on the
I'm gonna do that.
in the back seat or front seat. Yeah. All right, so Ashton's taking the stuff out.
Back it out like a little
Shut the door.
emo.
Bud, you putting it in that truck? You putting it in that other truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so you guys, here, you want to carry this one? Dad, carry that one. This is a 1504 back rack, guys.
Can we carry the camera?
Yeah, Dad got it. 1504. Oh, it is heavy, bro. Jesus. So, I bought it off of Amazon. I think it was like 150, 160 bucks, you guys. And it's going on the 2012 2500 HD gas. So it should be okay. Okay, you want to hold that? Yeah, put that in there. We're just going to take this next door to the shop. Oh, we'll throw this right in the back. Oh my God! How would you put this up? Let's see. Let's go in and see. We got everything else. Burr! It's going to be complete once we get the back rack on, boys.
Isn't that nice?
Ooh, that is nice.
Cute.
Nice.
You hear what, Ashton?
Yeah, instead of staying home watching YouTube, I said, let's go out and do some work.
Why doesn't he just start a YouTube channel?
Right.
know.
He's watching and learning.
He's got YouTube channel. How many subscribers you got?
77.
77 subscribers.
How many subscribers?
77.
7?
No, 70.
I know.
He's got more than you.
Because I don't have YouTube.
Not as many as me.
Yeah,
I
I
haven't even
know.
put anything on there.
Oh yeah.
I do probably have enough to maybe get 10 minutes.
You need.
I probably do just from, you know, I didn't record much, but I talked a little.
You should
bit.
record when you piled that truck up.
Yeah, why didn't you? You're like...
Because I don't have anything to, I'm like steering, doing the thing, holding my camera. I got nothing
Should've
to like, every time I stopped, it was like,
It's good. Well, at least I got the footage for you. So. All right, we're going to work.
Okay, have fun.
All right, bud. Yep, shut the door. All right, guys. So we gotta move 1, 2, 3. Oh man, we gotta take that track one out too, bud.
So 4?
Yeah, 4. Okay, you can talk in it. Yeah, say what we're doing.
We're pulling out the skid loaders.
You can put it to your face, bro. was it? Was it easier than the other one? The big ones?
Nah.
Huh?
It was the same for the other one that I did.
Okay. Here, hold this. Dad's gonna drive in the truck. Ah, Dad's gonna bring the other one out. Come on. I don't think that's gonna fit.
I'm standing here.
Yeah, it might. Okay, watch out. That's gonna bring this. Alright guys, we are in here. Let's get this warmed up. Woo! It is cold. I know. Oh man, yeah, we got to knock these out, bud. Yeah. Knock the ice off of there. Alright guys. We are going to let this warm up just a little bit. It is warming. It is cold because we left that open. We are going to pop these things off right there. You can push it, but you have to use a screwdriver.
Doesn't come up.
Wedge it back and forth. It's okay, we ruined that plastic thing. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we'll bring it over here, bud.
That's how I need to go.
Should come out the same as the other ones. Just pry it, stick it right in there.
Screwdriver is too big, yo.
Huh?
I need a smaller one.
Let me see. Use it right here. Oh, just go like this, bud.
Oh, from the top.
Does it come out?
Got to.
Okay, here, take that then. Can you take that and
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, do the same over there. Pop, stick it in like this, and then pop it out.
See that?
There you go. Yep, go ahead. You can step on it. And some more. Push it hard. Whoa! Got it? Here, take this. Okay. Take this bolt. Come in like this. Okay. Maybe like that. So what you'll do is, bud, you'll go in like this. Go in like this. And then, let me see here. Hold this, bud. Okay, got it? Hold it, don't drop it. So you guys put the plate on. As you can see, there's this big bolt. Okay. Leave it for now.
Here we go.
Okay, there you go. Okay, here, you do the same thing on that other. Okay, put this one on. Yep. Okay, put this washer on first. And this one. Okay, then that. Spin it in. Is it that one? Yep. Okay, so we got that. We don't need that. Okay.
Don't we
So,
need this one?
yep, just leave that for now. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the back rack on. Okay. The plastic, yeah. There you go. Push it down, yeah. Okay. So we're putting this plate on. Tricky. Got it installed. Looks pretty good. What you think, bud? Got the back rack. Boom. Good. Alright guys, that concludes it. It's nice. This model is 1504 for 2012 2500 HD. And you guys, you will have to get the mounting kit. It's separate. So all together it was like 250 bucks, you guys, I think, for this whole setup here. So, there you have it. There's the back rack. Just needs light on there. What you guys think? Looks good, don't you think? Looking good. Look at that. It's nice. Looks better with the light though. So there you have it, guys. All right, guys. So I ran to the store, you guys. I ran to the store and bought myself some twist ties here. Turn this up. Yeah, some twist ties, and I went to get myself a new grease gun here. I know I need to invest in one of those battery operated ones. I haven't, but I bought all the stuff for the wiring, you guys, for the back racks on this new one. So I bought everything myself. I'm gonna do it myself. It's already installed. The wire's already installed, but I just need to hide it pretty good and put a switch on it, and I'll show you. It was running off the cigarette lighter. That light, that's an old light, you guys, that we had with this one. Before we had the back rack, it was just sitting on top with the magnetic underneath it, and so we're gonna run it and put it right on there. As you can see, wires are still hanging. We're gonna run these wires, hide it good, and in here, I'll show you. And so in here, you guys, this is the wire here right now. There's a switch right here, off and on switch. I just need to probably just find the power and connect it to the power and just run it off this switch. Or I bought another switch. I might run it off the other switch I bought. So that way we're not plugging it in here all the time, the cigarette lighter. So it's good that it's already ran through the truck and all to the back. All right, let's get this grease on. Cool down. I might have to throw on my jacket again. You guys, this grease gun just cost me 11 bucks. It was, you know. Oh, don't come here. I got the grease too small. Hold on. No, it should be right. Yeah, guys, I'm anxious for springtime. Spring season. I mean, I don't mind the winter. I don't mind the winter and snow removal. But, you know, guys, sometimes I don't like to idle. That's my problem. Well, either it snows or we mow or we landscape. It's got, you know, it's one of those things. Why isn't this? There you go. You know, it's one of those things. I just wish it'd do one or the other. But winter months do keep you, I guess, gives you time to do maintenance and stuff like that too. So it all works out, I guess. You know.